Hey guys, Dan here. Right, I've got a new toy I'm trying out today. This is slim pasta. So this is 0 carbs and it is only 9 calories per 100 grams. Let's have a look. Okay, I've just opened up the packet here and this is what was inside. Drain away the water. Okay, so I've rinsed it under the tap several times. I've put it in the bowl. Now I'm just going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and let's see how this comes out. Okay, that's 2 minutes up. So, and that is our pasta there. It's a bit chewy. I'll be honest, it literally tastes of nothing. But I guess if you're trying to lose weight, it's going to fill you up. But then again, if you're just trying to fill yourself up, why wouldn't you just fill up on vegetables? I don't know. Unless you wanted to put some pasta sauce on that, which would have to be super low calorie. Otherwise, it kind of negates the fact that you're having 0 calorie pasta anyway, if you're going to put a whole bunch of sugar stuff on. Yeah, otherwise, I don't know. I'm kind of, yeah, I don't know what to make of this one. But yeah, give it a go yourself. Let me know what you think. Okay, now while I'm at it with this pasta, I thought, alright, let's try slim rice. So, here it is. I've microwaved it, I've made it up. Let's see if this tastes any better than the pasta. Okay, it's a little bit hot. Probably the same as a pasta actually. It's a little bit chewy and again it literally tastes of nothing. So yeah, I suppose if I put some low salt soya sauce or something on it, then that would do. But yeah, I don't know. I guess it makes a change to eating vegetables. Whatever. It's gonna fill you up and there's like no calories in it. There you go.